Welcome, today I am with iPad mini 2021 and I will show you a couple camera useful features. Honestly, there's not a lot of options that we can find here, but let's take a look. At the first, I'll show you the best features from the settings. So we have to go for the camera when we are in the settings, and here we can, for example, enable the grid lines. Oh, that was the best click. Enable grid lines, and right now when you go for the camera, as you can see, we can spot here this help grid lines on the screen. So right now, if you want to put any object inside, I mean in the middle in the photo, like for example this fast charger, with this help grid lines it will be definitely much easier. And also, as you can see on this yellow cross, we got camera leveler. So let's take the photo like that. And as you can see right now with this help grid lines on the screen, it's definitely easier to put object in the middle in the photos. Okay, so that was the first and honestly the last option from the settings. And right now when we are in the photo mode, we can increase or decrease brightness level by tapping on the screen and then moving this little tiny sun icon like that on the slider to increase or decrease brightness level. And the same you can make by using the video mode, as you can see. When you are in the photo mode, you are also able to add timer to our photos. We can pick 3 or 10 seconds. Let's set up for example 3 seconds and then tap on the shutter, and after the 3 seconds the photo will be taken automatically. As you can see, we can find here also a few other options. There's like slow motion, time lapse, but there's very common modes, so there's nothing to talk about honestly. And yeah, as you can see, that's all tricks and the best features that we can find in iPad mini 2021 camera. Unfortunately, it's not an Android device where we can find a lot of things that we can customize and use. So when you are an iOS user, you have to get used to it. But yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.